สวัสดีครับผมนายสรัญยูสมศรีรานิสิต680900590สาขา Smart Farming ครับ Ethiopian Coffee According to old Ethiopian stories, coffee was discovered 1000 years ago by a farmer called Kaldi. One day, Kaldi noticed that his animals were very lively and excited. He realized that they were eating the small red fruits growing on the tree on the hillside. He decided to try them himself, and when he did, he liked the taste and the good feeling of energy that followed. He put some of them in his pocket and went home to tell his wife. She said the bean must have been sent from heaven and that Kaldi must take them to the monk in the temple. The monks said the beans were the work of the devil and threw them into the fire. Soon, wonderful smell of roasting coffee beans filled the temple. The roasted beans were rescued from the fire and the monks poured boiling water over them to stop the smell. That night, the monks sat up late, drinking the wonderful liquid that they had discovered. Another version of the story is that the monk used to eat the beans to keep awake during their long nights of prayer. Kaldi and the monks lived in an area of Ethiopia called Kaffa, and that is where the name coffee originated. Today, coffee is the world's second most popular drink after tea, and Ethiopia continues to produce some of the finest coffee beans in the world. Today, in Kaffa, a range proportion of the coffee goes wild in the forest and the hills, and the coffee industry employ over 12 million people. As well as being an exporter for Ethiopia, making and drinking coffee is an important social custom when entertaining guests in an Ethiopian home. The process starts with the dried green beans. These are roasted over a small wood fire, continuously stirred by the women of the house and giving off a delicious smell. After the beans turn a very dark brown, they are ground and the coffee is prepared in a special coffee pot. The coffee is served in small cups with sugar or sometimes salt. It is traditional to be served 3 small cups. Coffee prepared this way is absolutely delicious, but it's not only the taste that is important. It is the association. Coffee is time for taking, relaxing, forgetting about the worry of life, or discussing them with friends, neighbors, and family.